Hey everyone, this is Ieasha of Ieasha Designed It, and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video, I am going to be showing you how to sublimate some pens. Yes, these are ink pens that I'm going to be sublimating. I got these off of Amazon, and the link will be in the description box below. Matter of fact, the link to all the products that I'm using here in today's video will be linked in the description box. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make these. I am going to be using a design that I created in Canva to actually put a design on these pens. So I have some videos where I show you about Canva and everything. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to go ahead and print the design off from Canva onto, I'm using my Epson ET2760 sublimation printer that I converted into sublimation. Okay, and then I'm going to come back and show you how you can add the designs to these pens, and we're going to see how I do. All right, so thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get into the video. All right, everyone, so I want to show you a little bit about this pen. So this pen here, when you get ready to sublimate on it, you have to take this part and, well, this part and this part off. Okay, now you don't want to start with this part first because it will break your ink pen. You want to start with this part. So you just want to untwist it just like so, just like you see me doing it, and pull it off. Set that to the side and go ahead and take the ink part off. Now it's going to be this little wire part in here, and make sure you hold on to that. And this is the ink pen. This is the ink part. Okay, so you just slide that back up in there to keep up with it. Set it to the side. All right, so now you're left with this part. Okay, so now you want to just take your take this piece and just pop it off gently. Okay, all right, so as you see, when you pull it out, it will be this little part here. It's like a I guess like a metal part here, a little mechanism here. All right, and that's the part where the pen part go back up in there. Okay, so this is how it looks, but you want to be careful. All right, so now you're left with just this piece here, just this white piece. Okay, and as you see right here, you have this little cut off right here. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to wrap it. Okay. Okay, so the length, once I measure it, was 1.45. The height will be 4.25. Okay, and it will come out just like this. All right, so now what you do, you just take it and you just wrap it. Okay, make sure you clean it off, and you just wrap your pen, this top in here, really, really well. Okay, because you want the design to be, you want it to, you want it to sublimate on it. Okay. All right, so you make sure you get it in there real good. And I probably could have went a little longer. I probably could have went maybe 4.26 because you see it's going to be a little short here, if you can see that. Okay. Let me see if I can. I might can pull it tight so it can reach, because sometimes you can pull it tight and it can reach. But I wanted to. All right, so when you put your tape on, you're going to have to put it really, really tight, okay, to make sure that everything is on there tight. And then once you put it on here tight with your heat tape, I'm sorry, you can't see it, can you? With your heat tape, then you can go ahead and put your sleeve on, okay? So that's what I'm trying to do, is wrap it really, really tight. Because see, you want it to be, hope you can see this, okay? You want it to be tight so it can go all the way across. All right, so I can go all the way over. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just put my tape all the way down here and finish it off, and then I come back to put my sleeve on. Okay, so remember, just hold it tight If you have fingernails, you will have to use your fingernails in order to get it up in there really well, or you can print your design a little bit bigger than I did mine, okay? All right. All right, y'all. So this is how I wrap mine, okay? I wrapped it really well all the way around. Okay, now this is the shrink sleeve that come um with the pins. Okay, you just open it just like so. Like I said, this is my first time working with the shrink sleeves. I think that's how you say it. Okay. But we're going to take this and put it down in the sleeve. Okay. Just like this. All right, if I can get it all the way open. Hold on a second. Yeah, open it up a little bit, y'all. Okay. All right, so just take it and just place it down in here just like so. And once you get it open up, it goes all the way in. All right. Okay, dokie. So you see, that's it right here. Now, I have a heat gun. Now, I've been had this heat gun for a really long time. I don't even remember where I got it from, but I know I'm going to be linking one to Amazon because you will need, like I said, a heat source. So if you have a hair dryer, don't buy a heat gun. Use your hair dryer, okay? But if you don't have a hair dryer, go ahead and purchase a heat gun because it will come in handy with any crafts that you do, okay? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn it on and I'm going to heat this up to shrink it, okay? So let's go. All right, as you see, if you can see, it's shrinking it. Okay, you see? Because it's getting hot. Hopefully you can see that. Huh? Make sure you have your gloves on. I don't, but okay. Do it very well. All the way around and on top and the bottom. All right, so that's fine. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in here, turn my convection oven on, and we're going to go ahead and see how it looks. Okay, we're going to put it in the oven, and we're going to let it heat up. All right, so this is my convection oven. It's a Black & Decker. I will be having this linked in the description box below. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and heat it up. I'm going to turn it to 4. I'm going to do 400, and I'm going to do about 5 minutes, but I'm going to check it in between, okay? Because like I said, I've never done this before, so yeah, I'm going to start off with 5 minutes, but I'm going to check it. I'm going to check it at 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, I'm going to check it, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. Let me go ahead and turn this on and get it heated up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and place my sublimation pen, okay, right inside my convection oven, just like so. As you see right here, I have it on 400 degrees, and I'm going to go over here on my microwave and put it on for 5 minutes, but I'm going to check it every 2 minutes, okay? All right, so I'm going to press timer. I'm going to do, well, first I'm going to do 2 minutes, okay? 2 minutes. I'm going to start it. You see the countdown, and then I'm going to check it after the 2 minutes, okay? All right, so the 2 minutes is up. I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to go here and check my pen. All right, so let's open it up and see how it looks. Make sure you put your heat glove on. All right, so it's really hot, okay? But you can't really tell if the design is coming through. I guess that's a little bit, if you can really see like the little design there. All right, but we're gonna put it back in here just for a little while longer, and I'm just going to flip it, okay? I'm gonna flip it on the other side, Okay, so hopefully that's right. Okay, right here. I'm just gonna let it go for another minute. 1 minute on the other side. All right, so now the 1 minute has stopped, and we're gonna go ahead and turn off everything. Okay. And we're gonna take out our pen. Okay, sublimation pen. All right. Ooh, it's really hot, so we're just gonna let it cool off. All right, everyone, so here is my pen that I sublimated, and I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shrink wrap on it. Okay, and remember, I used my convection oven. The temperature was at 400, and I did it for, I started out with 2 minutes. I was going to do 5, but it didn't need to take 5. Okay, at least I don't think so. I haven't opened it yet. So what I did 3 minutes. I did 2 minutes first, then I went and flipped it, then I did 1 minute. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how that worked. Okay, so let's go ahead and take everything off and be very, very careful with it. Okay, like I said, I've never worked with the shrink wrap before. This is my first time with the shrink wrap, so I'm gonna see how everything turned out. Especially with trying to get it off. This is the hardest thing to get off. Okay. All right, let me go on and remove this shrink wrap. Then I come back and remove the tape. All right, so I was able to remove some of the shrink wrap. All right, and so we're gonna go ahead and reveal. All right, do the big reveal to see how everything looks. Like I said, this is my first time sublimating this pen, so oh, it looks really, really good so far, y'all. I'm still trying to get everything off, as you see. Okay, but you can see that little part right there. It looks really good. If I can just go ahead and get the rest of it off. And I taped it very well, y'all. I really did. I really taped this. So it could be a lot of the tape also. Trying to get this tape off. All right, y'all. It's looking good. So let's go ahead and take the rest of it off. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, wow. I love this. Everything turned out beautiful. For it to be my first time sublimating this sublimation pen. All right, I use this design here. As you can see, absolutely gorgeous. All right, so let me go ahead and show you how to put the pen back together. When you put your pen back together, you can go ahead and start with this top part first and just take it and push it back in place, just like so. Okay, gently push it back in place. I love it. Okay. All right, so now what you're going to do, all right, you see that part in there, that little hole there? You're going to take this piece, you're going to flip it with this piece pointing out, okay? And you're just going to place it inside just like this, okay? Because this is the point that you're going to be writing with. This is the pinpoint, okay? Just push it in there. All right, so this is the top, the little part that we screwed out first. Then you just take it and just screw it on. Pop it back on, screw it. All right. And now you have your pen. Look how gorgeous this is, y'all. This is beautiful. All right. Okay. You see it? That's the tip of the pen. All right. So let's write on something to see how it writes. Okay. All right. So here's the tip of it. So let's go ahead and write and see how it writes. Okay. Let me think of what I'm going to write. What is today? Today is Monday. So I'm just going to write Monday. Okay. You see how well it writes? I absolutely love, love, love this pen. It is absolutely gorgeous. Look at there. All right, everyone. So that is today's video. I hope that you all have enjoyed making a sublimation pen with me. Again, here is the pen. Absolutely gorgeous. Everything will be linked in the description box below, just in case you want to make this beautiful pen. I have more. I think it comes in I think it's a 12 pack of pens. This is it right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, it's 8 packs. Okay, 8, 9, 10. It may be a 12 pack. I'm not sure, but it will be linked in the description box below. So make sure you go and check it out. Thank you for liking this video. It really helps my channel grow. Thank you all so much for all of my subscribers. I hope that you all enjoy my videos. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to this channel. We would love to have you a part of the Ieasha Designed It family, where we learn and we grow. All right. So you all have an amazing night, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.